What is up, guys? Today we are going to be racing these 10 cars representing each planet of the solar system. Let's go ahead and meet our contestants for today's race. First, we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, the Sun, and the Moon. Choose which one you think will win. The last car remaining will be eliminated from the competition, and we have a group of 10 markers right here, and whichever color car represented that marker, they can no longer race. So, good luck to all of you. Race 1 starts in 3, 2, 1, now. So it looks like it's an elimination between Mercury, Venus, and Uranus. So whichever is the last to cross the line will be eliminated. Let's see. And it is Uranus. So Uranus is the first car to be eliminated, and we now have 9 remaining in this solar system race. It looks like that Neptune went the furthest, as you can see, just in front of Mars. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is Neptune. He went the furthest, followed by Mars and all the others. So Mercury and Venus are still here, but the 7th planet from the Sun, Uranus, is now out of the competition. And if the Sun gets eliminated, we can no longer enjoy daylight. So if the Sun gets eliminated, there goes our daylight. Okay, continuing. So let's see. Oh, and the Sun is out. So there goes our daylight and my good day. So Uranus, that was this marker. And the Sun, which was this yellow marker, he will now be out. And we will continue on with 8 remaining in this competition. And if Earth gets eliminated, we no longer exist. But if Earth somehow survives, we will still exist. But we'll be in a black hole if we get eliminated. So let's see who wins. Oh, it's the Moon. So now the night sky will no longer be perfect again. No more wolves howling at the moon, and no more waves. So the Moon is now out, and this black marker representing the Moon is now done. So now we have 2 planets. We have 1 planet out, and the Sun and the Moon are now done for. We now have 6 remaining in this. Actually, no, that's 7. 7 remaining in this race. One of these cars could be our next winner. Okay, let's see. Oh, it looks like it's between Mars and Saturn, but sadly, by a hair, Mars, you are out. Mars, you had 2 moons, but those 2 moons did not help you. So this red marker that represents Mars is now done for. And if I could, I will say this. The planet that won a few years ago in this solar system race that I recorded on my previous phone, that was Mars. Mars won the race. So now, he loses this year. We have 6 planets remaining. Oh, it looks like it's between Jupiter and Venus. And now, Venus and Jupiter are in dead last, so whoever finishes in last place will be eliminated. Oh, by a hair, but Venus, you are done. So this orange car, this represents Venus, and it is out. And we now have 5 planets remaining. If Earth gets eliminated, we'll then have our final 4, but we will no longer be able to exist or watch any new videos that I post. Oh, Earth comes in a decent first, with Jupiter trailing in dead last. So Jupiter, who is the biggest planet, is now done. So this brown car that represents Jupiter is... I mean, not brown car. Yeah, that brown car and this brown marker that represents Jupiter is now done. And we now have our final 4 planets for the final 4 race. And whoever is in last place will be eliminated. So we have Earth, Mercury, Saturn, and Neptune. So this actually takes us a while to do. But we have our final 4. Oh, it looks like it's Mercury and... No, not Mercury and Saturn. It looks like it's Saturn and Neptune who are in last. So whoever crosses for 3rd and 4th. Let's see. Ooh, that was close, but they're still in a tie. Ooh, Saturn. You trailed in last place with that energy boost from Neptune. So Saturn no longer exists. And this peach-colored marker that represents Saturn is now done. And we only have 3 planets remaining. Mercury, Earth, and Neptune. Looks like Neptune and Earth and Mercury will be fighting against each other in the final match, ending Neptune's rage. So this dark blue marker representing Neptune, that is done. And looks like our championship will be done by either Mercury or Earth. If Mercury wins, it'll be known as the best planet, and Earth will be in the black hole forever. So let's see who moves on. Ooh, is that a tie? Yes, it's a tie. We'll have to go for a tiebreaker. Who will be faster? Ooh, Earth sped on by and putting an end to Mercury. Mercury, this color represents Mercury. So Mercury ceased to exist, and it looks like the Earth marker, which is the light blue marker, will move on. And the color of Earth will be our winner. Earth wins the battle and is known as the best planet that we live on. I'm glad we managed to stay intact. And I was at the edge of my seat thinking that Mercury would win and Earth would end our existence. But then again, we did lose the sun, so there goes my daylight and my beautiful day. But anyway, thank you all of you for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. I'll keep you guys updated if I make more. See you soon, my guys and my good friends.